Meaning of gazette.
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 Gazette. The term gazette refers to a publication that contains official announcements, news, and information about a particular subject or region. It can also be used to refer to the act of publishing such information. The purpose of a gazette is to provide a reliable source of information to the public, particularly regarding government affairs and legal matters. Gazettes are often published by government entities, but they can also be produced by private organizations or individuals. In summary, a gazette is a regular publication that provides official information and news to the public.